Hello guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be teaching how to get a Linux operating system using the Windows Subsystem for Linux, otherwise known as WSL. So what is the Windows Subsystem for Linux? The Windows Subsystem for Linux is a feature on Windows 10 and 11 that allows users to run a native Linux environment directly on Windows. That is, the users don't need to install a separate virtual machine in order to run Linux. Rather, it allows them run Linux from the command line without ever needing to get a separate virtual machine. Now, the WSL does not give a graphical interface. It does not give a full graphical interface. Instead, it focuses on the command line interface. So what are the steps? First of all, we open our start menu. When the start menu is open, we look for Windows Powershell. Windows Powershell. We right click this. Now, we don't want to open it normally, we want to run it as administrator so that we have administrator privileges. Now, when we click run as administrator, to ask, do you want to allow this app make changes to your device? Yes. And it's pretty simple. You just type the command WSL -- install, and that is pretty much it. And yes, it will start installing the virtual machine. Now, depending on the time, it's going to take a few minutes, and I'll pause the video right now. When it's done, I'll turn on the video back. Alright, now when we're done with the installation is over. It will ask that we reboot the system first, and so the changes are not final until the system is rebooted. So I'll reboot the system and I will show you what happens after you reboot the system. Alright, so right now we've restarted Windows. I've restarted my Windows, and if you go to the start menu, you click on here, you can see Ubuntu has been installed, WSL has been installed, and WSL settings. Now we don't need to touch WSL and WSL settings. What we're focused on is Ubuntu, so we right click, run as administrator, and yes. Now it completes the installation while we're here. This may take a few minutes, so I'll leave this part right here and we'll get back to you later. Alright, so right now we've been prompted by Linux to enter our new username. And so for our username should be in lowercase. It should be in lowercase. There should be no spaces in between. And so I'm going to go with Ladon Forge. Yeah, that will be my username. No, Ladon's Forge. Yeah, that will be okay. And it will prompt to enter a password next. It's supposed to prompt to enter a password. So it prompts me to enter a new password. And now while you type your password, you will notice nothing is being typed because the password is meant to be invisible for security reasons. So I'll type my password the first time. Now type it a second time. Yes, and now it updates our password automatically, and from this moment on we can now use Ubuntu as if it is our usual operating system. It take a while, and you see now we are able to use our Ubuntu. Don't forge at another banger, that is the name of my system. So now we can run Linux commands. Off time. And yeah, so this is the process of installing Linux via the WSL, the Windows Subsystem for Linux. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comments below, and thank you for watching.